Hey everyone, welcome back. We have a large red circle. Inside it, there's a smaller quarter circle. Its center is point Q, and its two endpoints are A and B. And here's the interesting part. Point Q, point A, and point B all lie on the boundary of the large red circle. We're given just two pieces of information. First, because AQ and BQ are radii of the quarter circle, angle AQB is exactly 90 degrees. And second, the total area of the large red circle is exactly pi. Our goal is to find the exact area of the green shaded region, the region trapped between the upper arc of the quarter circle and the upper boundary of the large circle. Let's solve it step by step. First, let's find the radius of the large red circle. The area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. We're told the area is exactly pi, so pi times the radius squared equals pi. Therefore, the radius squared is 1, which means the radius of the large circle is exactly 1 unit. Now comes our first beautiful observation. Look at angle AQB. It's a 90-degree angle, and its vertex, Q, lies on the circle. By Thales' theorem, a right angle inscribed in a circle subtends a diameter. So if we connect A and B, AB must be a diameter of the large circle. And since the radius is 1, the diameter AB is exactly 2 units. Now, let's find the radius of the smaller quarter circle. Look at triangle AQB. It's a right triangle. Its hypotenuse, AB, is 2, and the other two sides, AQ and BQ, are equal because they're both radii of the quarter circle. Let's call that radius lowercase r. Using the Pythagorean theorem, r squared plus r squared equals 2 squared. So, 2r squared equals 4. Divide by 2, and we get r squared equals 2. Taking the square root, r equals the square root of 2. So the radius of the quarter circle is exactly the square root of 2. Now, let's find the area of the entire quarter circle. The area of a full circle is pi times the radius squared. A quarter of that is pi times r squared divided by 4. Since r squared equals 2, the area is 2 pi divided by 4, which simplifies to pi divided by 2. But we're not looking for the entire quarter circle. We only need the green region. So let's break the quarter circle into two pieces. Look at the part of the quarter circle that lies above the diameter AB. We'll call this the blue segment. The area of the blue segment is the area of the entire quarter circle minus the area of triangle AQB. We already know the quarter circle has area pi divided by 2. Now, let's find the area of the triangle. It's 1/2 times the base times the height. Both legs are the square root of 2. So the triangle's area is 1/2 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 2. The two square roots multiply to give 2, and 1/2 times 2 is 1. So the blue segment has area pi divided by 2 minus 1. And now it's time for the grand finale. Look at the green region. It's simply the entire upper semicircle of the large red circle, minus the blue segment. The entire red circle has area pi. So the top semicircle has area pi divided by 2. Therefore, green area equals pi divided by 2 minus the quantity pi divided by 2 minus 1. Now simplify. We get pi divided by 2 minus pi divided by 2 plus 1. And look at that! The 2 pi over 2 terms cancel completely. They're gone. All that's left is 1. So the exact area of the green shaded region is exactly 1 square unit. Isn't that beautiful? If you enjoyed this satisfying geometry challenge, hit that like button. Subscribe for more clever math puzzles, and I'll see you in the next one.